This is a test cell broadcast message sent by the National Disaster Management Authority in coordination with Department of Telecommunications. Government of India as part of testing cell broadcast solution for disseminating alerts. During the testing of the cell broadcast solution, you may receive this message multiple times on your mobile handset. Please ignore these messages and no action is required at your end. A press release in this regard has been issued by which can be referred at https://www.pib.gov.in/pressreleasepage.aspx. PRIT equals 2,140,843 v4g.